It's actually a fishing season, and there are a lot of salmon around in the river, and many fishermen are catching the fish in Credit River these days. And some fish, they died also, and there's a putrid kind of smell around. It's a beautiful duck sitting here on the stone. Such a lovely nature. It's Allah's creation, and we must love Allah's creation, and we must get connected with it, actually, to get attuned to it. When we get attuned to Allah's creation, it's a peace and blessings all around us. May Allah grant us His immense blessings and peace. With this message and prayer, I wish all of you lovely today and lovely future. Allah Hafiz.